Okay, boys and girls. Well, I'm saying boys and girls. It's actually for Simon, and it's something I've been tracking all day that is now coming into play for itself. Now, what I'm looking at this moment in time, as you can see, we're tracking through here. I'll pull the bigger one up for you, but it is for Simon, and we're looking at pound JPY. Now, I've done all of the others, and as you can see, I've been tracking it all day. Come down in the clinic, not only do I track it, I put it in a plus, and I'll do breakdown videos of them. In Trader Talk, if we go back up, I'll tell you exactly what the trade is, you know, and how it's going to be built, etc. Well, it's now come to play. So let me tell you rather than type it out. So, they know I'm looking to sell it because they'll have seen this, okay, this section. So we're selling across the board from the dominance into the low time frames. And at this moment in time, it's a C trade. So it's not going to be the best. So I'm looking for about 7 pips, okay? And it's pretty much ready to pop. So, first thing is, can I get 7 pips into this line? Yes, I can. Okay, that's the first thing I'm checking. So the next part is, right, it's ready to rock. Look for the cluster point, which is here. So the order is going to be underneath that candle. So just drop an order in, just under there, 7 pips. Bash. Right, we're in. So there's the target point, there's the order point. We're ready to rock and roll, and I only want to go to the next stall point. Now, I am prepared to scale on this. So if I drop this back, where can I scale? Well, I can scale up here. But what we can see over the course of the last 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, which is what I've been tracking, it's been pushing higher. But what is that 4-hour wave? Well, it's really just the market oscillating as it goes. So it pushes down, pulls back up, pushes back down again. So it's the old analogy of sell high, buy low, all of that sort of thing. I needed it to get higher, show signs that it was going to be coming back into sell. Well, there's this candle here, which is just closing off now for 1 o'clock. It's telling me that there's a change in sentiment to continue down. But we have a stall here and we have a stall there. Now, I will only target into a stall point if the grade is risky. And it is, because it's a grade of a C. So therefore, I'm going to trade into there, get my £35 and I'm happy. Now, do I care? No, because if you've been watching the videos today, you'll have seen I've done that lot. So I don't really need to do a lot. And it's all concurrent, running on and on and on. Nothing's running over, well, apart from that one that I've just put in. And I've got no tickets in as yet. But I am prepared to make that better by staging up and then back down again. And I'll become net positive and the job's a winner. So this one's for you, Simon. You know why I'm doing it and how I'm doing it. Let's see if it plays out. No.
Because I think that's what I'm...
Yeah. Right, boys and girls. Sorry, I'm having a bit of a chuckle. We're having a bit of a domestic on personal finances. Apparently, she's trying to raid me wallet again, which is no good.
Which is under lock and key.
No, it's fucking right here in front of me to stop you.
That.
Fucking bitch. Right, that's done what I wanted it to do. So that was for you, Simon. Genuinely was. You'll see there's a bounce down here. Now, I was prepared to take that on. That was actually a news announcement coming in on the US date, which does ripple through the markets, but it won't really affect this. So I wasn't that fussed about trading into it. Now, when I was doing cable earlier on, I wouldn't have done that. Oh, wrong tab. It's this one that I want to take my tickets off. And then there you go. There's the trade. Now, it took ages for that to come out, but the job is done. All right. It's stalling in and around here heavily, which we can see. So it was sensible just to trade into that area and then be done with it. And that's everything we do. Everything we do is about just systematically working from one point to the next. If you think it's going to stop, well, that's where you take your money. Or in Winky's way, as soon as I stop and bugger off out, she does take the money. You know, she's having a hissy fit because she just looked at my year's salary. And I said I put X amount into a bank account. She's going, the maths don't add up. You haven't spent enough. And I'm like, spent enough on what? My clothes. Don't you not love me anymore?
I didn't know.
Yeah. Well, you don't love me.
Why is that? Because you've got no coffee.
Well, actually, I haven't. So, and we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. He also likes something else, and she ain't giving it up. What are you not giving it up for? Is it because you're not getting enough present? If I buy you something, are you going to give it up?
Get on me, train.
You don't even know what I'm talking about, do you?
Well, I'm not going down there.
I wish you would go down there.
I'm not going down that road on me.
Right, play with you, Willie, since you're not playing with mine. Yeah,
I'll make the...
You can make the coffee, you can make him wobble about. Shall I give you a joystick? Eh? There you go.
I'm saying nothing, you're making the coffee.
I'll tell you what I'll do, boys and girls. I'll stick it on her computer. There we go.
Well, you better unstick it.
Nah. You got to enjoy your life. It's a bit funny, really, because the Willies like become a part of the staff. So we got me, Winky, and we'll have to give it a name. So there you go. In the comments, boys and girls, let's give the Todger a name, and it can be part of the staff. How's that? Yeah. What should we call it? I think it should be called Snake Pliskin. And why is that? Call it Snake or Pliskin. Pliskin. Now, the older guys might get this because he's called One Eye. And it's a great film, and I was watching Escape from LA last night. So that's my thing, Pliskin. We'll call it Pliskin. She'll probably call it Happy. What are you lot going to call it? But I called the trade. I was very correct to pull it when I did. Kaboom. Off. Job's done. Day's done. Week's done. Scruff's a happy boy. And if she pulls her finger out, Scruff will be a definitely happy boy. Bollocks to this. I've had enough. I'm going for a walk. I'm going to have a shower. I'm going to have a coffee. Get a haircut because getting a bit wayward. I'm looking very scruffy, boys and girls. I am. I'm letting myself go. You know, I'll get myself back into shape. Just so happens this week's shape's a sack of spuds. But there we go. I don't give a fuck. And, well, fucking neither does she, actually. You know, I think about it. Oh, do you know something? I think I might have holiday. Should I have holiday? Trying to convince her to go down to Devon and Cornwall, but she's not having it at the minute. Anyway, not to worry. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in, and also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I used to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US, so you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader, and you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader, and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.